hunger and undernutrition. There's also a bit of sort of a legacy of having done the HRCI, the Hunger Reduction Commitment Index before. We're a set of countries in that index, and we've carried them forward. There's also the dependence on data again, sort of for quite a few countries that we'd like to capture. There's simply not data available on some of the indicators that we are looking at. So again, that means it makes it impossible to compare with the others. So when we say action, sort of in what sort of realms of action do we talk about? Sort of three in particular. We look at what governments do in terms of initiating sort of policies and programs, putting in place legal frameworks and laws that can protect people, that can provide people with legal entitlements to be safe from hunger and to be well nourished. And we look at sort of what governments do in terms of their investments. What do they spend on key areas such as agriculture, such as health. We also try to make sure we look at sort of a set of indicators which are highly multi-sectoral, because we know that hunger and undernutrition are related, but they're also affected by a tremendous number of factors. So we are looking we recognize that sort of government action on this could be about sort of doing something in terms of the health service provisioning. It could be about sort of actually making sure that more food is being produced. It could be about enhancing sort of the sanitary environment within which people live. There's a range of efforts possible. But we're guided very much on the one hand sort of by sort of a definition of food security. The standard sort of definition is that FAO sort of applies. Sort of, you know, we need to think about sort of, and FAO has been sort of neatly stretching its definition